Need serious airflow for your garage, workshop, warehouse, or basement? Then today's product might be exactly what you're looking for. Today we're reviewing the BILT HARD 30-inch high-velocity drum fan, a heavy-duty industrial fan capable of delivering up to 13,000 CFM of airflow. It features a 2-speed motor, durable steel construction, and a design built to cool large spaces quickly and efficiently. But is it the right industrial fan for your workspace? Let's find out. Unlike standard household fans, the BILT HARD Drum Fan is engineered for large, open spaces where powerful air circulation is essential. Whether you're working in a garage, warehouse, workshop, factory, gym, or basement, this fan is designed to improve ventilation, reduce heat buildup, and create a more comfortable working environment. Its rugged build also makes it suitable for demanding daily use. Let's begin with its airflow performance. The biggest highlight is the impressive 13,000 CFM airflow output, providing powerful air movement capable of cooling large areas much faster than traditional box or pedestal fans. The 2-speed motor allows you to switch between maximum airflow for hot conditions and a lower setting when less ventilation is needed. Its 30-inch metal fan blades are designed to move a significant volume of air efficiently, making it ideal for workshops and industrial environments. The heavy-duty steel housing also adds durability for long-term operation. Convenience and reliability are equally important. The fan features an adjustable tilt mechanism, allowing you to direct airflow exactly where it's needed. Large built-in wheels and a sturdy handle make moving the fan around your workspace much easier despite its industrial size. Being OL-listed, it meets recognized safety standards for dependable operation. Its simple controls and plug-and-play design mean you can start using it immediately without complicated setup. In real-world use, the BILT HARD Drum Fan delivers exceptional airflow that's well-suited for large indoor spaces. On the high setting, it quickly circulates air throughout garages, warehouses, and workshops, helping reduce heat and improve ventilation. The lower speed provides quieter operation while still maintaining strong airflow for everyday use. Its durable construction remains stable during operation, and the adjustable tilt makes it easy to focus airflow on work areas or improve overall room circulation. For demanding environments where cooling performance matters more than compact size, this fan performs exceptionally well. So, is the BILT HARD 30-inch high-velocity drum fan worth buying? If you need a heavy-duty industrial fan with powerful 13,000 CFM airflow, durable steel construction, 2-speed operation, and easy mobility, this is an excellent option. It's especially recommended for garages, warehouses, workshops, factories, gyms, and other large spaces where standard household fans simply aren't powerful enough. While it's designed more for performance than quiet operation, the airflow and durability make it a worthwhile investment for anyone needing serious cooling power. If you'd like to check the latest Amazon price or available discounts, you'll find the link in the description below. If this review helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more honest reviews of tools, industrial equipment, and workshop essentials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.